What's up, guys, and welcome back to our next challenge on
Cooking to the Max
with me, Max.
And Dad on the assist.
Today we are going to make two kinds of papas. My dad's breakfast papas and French fries. Let's get started.
Pop quiz! What do you do first before chopping, cooking the papas? What do you do?
You have to wash the papas.
Alright, show me.
That's cool. So we're gonna need about 5 papas because we're doing French fries and breakfast papas.
Fill up that water. Then we're going to make sure that we use a fruit and vegetable wash. This is to take off any pesticides, any yucky stuff that's on there.
And we're going to use a scrub to make it so it goes on the skin and nice and easy.
Just going to do some strong little fingers, strong forearms. Make sure not to slip the pop out of your hand. Hot potato.
Yeah, but wouldn't that just make it easier for it to drop? This hot potato would make it even harder to not drop.
It's slippery. Put them back straight in the water. Right
yeah,
there.
It will help you.
Yep. Let me see that vein muscle pop out. Let me see it. Oh! Show him! Oh! Show him those muscles. Show him. Oh! Oops, a little shy, right?
I want you to show off. That's what.
But do you have muscles? A ver. A ver, let me see those. Oh, yeah!
Okay, I finished.
Rinse all those papas. Make sure they're nice and rich. Dump all that water out. Or refresh it with new water until you think that it's clear water.
That is clear water there.
Alright. I'm going to show you how to cut these papas for the breakfast ones, and then how to do the French fry ones as well. So, for the French fry ones, alright, we're going to cut this one in half. Right? And then I'm going to go on the flat side like this. I'm going to cut it in half again. Right? Then from there, once it's like that, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 out of these. This will be nice and thickness. That's 4. Now, these are really thick papas. I really like them this way, but sometimes if I want them to cook really much faster, then I'll do half of these, and this will be your skinny fry, right? Alright, let's do the big one. Yep. Alright, this one's half again. 1, 2, 3. Alright, same thing here. This one's down like this. I'm gonna make sure and grab it like this so that I present my knuckle. See how I'm holding it? I'm not gonna put my fingers out because I don't mean like this. Alright, I'm not gonna do that. Knuckles. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, pop up, yeah?
Yeah, so the ones that my dad cut, let's put them in the bowl of water.
Alright, and then I'm gonna pass on a knife of power. What happened, dude?
I cut my finger! Ha! Gotcha!
Nails. Strong fingers. Here, let me also correct this, Max. Right now, you're like in the air like this. When you do this, I need your whole hand on the thing. Much better, much more efficient.
So I just cut 3 papas for the French fries. Now we are going to pour the oil so we can fry the French fries.
And we are going to use grapeseed oil. It's a little better for frying, and it makes the outside nice and crispy. Turn on the fire first, Max. We have 2 different pans. One where we're going to use for the French fries, and one where we're going to use for the breakfast papas.
We're using the bigger cast iron pan for the French fries because they take up more space. And if we use the small ones, we'd have a bunch of big, long papas stacked up on each other. As the oil heats up, my daddy is going to show me his technique on how to cut his breakfast potatoes.
Alright, so same thing. Just like the French fries, we're gonna cut this one in half, cut the next one in half, and then the same way as we did before, 1, 2, and we're just gonna stop at 2, and then from here I'm just gonna go all the way across.
Whoa!
And then they crumble up to the small piece.
Nice. We're making some good progress.
Watch it!
Dad!
Elbow up, elbow up, there you go. One, 2, 3. You know, long ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, not bad. Look at this guy. Come to Maxx.
Oil is starting to get hot, and we are going to put the papas on. But before that, we need to drain them. Oil and water are not a good match.
What happened?
Now that I've drained the potatoes, we are now going to put them on the pan. Little ones first.
Now what we did is we turned the fire down to low, so that as the papas went in there, it didn't splash anywhere. So what are you doing now, Max?
I am just flattening them out, and we are going to wait for them to kind of crisp up, and we're going to move them around because we do not want them to stick on the pan. Now we are going to do the French fries.
Alright? And now we're going to turn off the fire high. Now that they're in there, make sure that you turn the fire all the way up. That'll ensure that they're super fried, right? Pop quiz! What are you going to use the season?
For the breakfast papas, we are using garlic salt.
I said, how much are you gonna put on them?
2 layers.
Show me.
Do not smell this, it is very strong. Then we're going to mix them. And now for the second layer.
Hey man, don't be greedy, man. You're gonna need a lot more of seasoning for that to taste awesome. So put a lot more awesomeness on there, dude. Come on, don't be greedy. Yeah, now mix it in a little bit.
That is a lot of seasoning. I did not know we needed that much seasoning.
That much.
And now the second layer, the big.
That's it. We're gonna leave it like that until it crisps up, and then maybe towards the end we'll add a little more. But mostly you want it flat. You want to make sure all those papas are drowning in fried oil. Alright, we want them to be super hot and super fried. Crispy on the outside, super nice, squishy on the inside.
Pop quiz for you. What seasoning do we use for the French fries?
We don't use anything. Joke's on you. So yes, no seasoning for the French fries. Eventually, we will use salt, and that'll be just some good old table salt after you've taken the potatoes out of the oil.
So there's a nice color on the outside, and I'm gonna move them so they don't stick everywhere.
So make sure you don't splash the oil, right? Nice and gentle.
Boiling. Nobody likes boiling water on them.
You mean boiling oil?
Oh yeah, boiling oil. Boiling water. Boiling oil is not the same.
Alright, what about that French fries?
They're not too cooked yet.
Alright, how do you know?
Because the color is still a little white from when we put them in.
Did you check the other side?
Oh. That one is not fully cooked.
Move them around a little bit. Looks like they're getting a little bit more solid on the outside. So that's a bigger pan. It's going to take a little longer. They're also a little bit bigger fries, so they're going to take a little longer to get to the point like that.
These are almost ready.
Alright, well what do we need? Where are we going to put those potatoes, those papas?
Oh, those, we need a paper. We're doing 2 of them so we could put them in an X sign.
Yeah, one on top of each other, and then the other one across the other way. Alright.
I think the little ones are ready. We are going to turn off the heat, and we are going to grab the spoon thing.
Got a bunch of oil on there. Is that a concentration face I see? Is that a concentration face?
Yeah, already cooked. Here we are at our taste test. We got our papas here, we got our sauces, and before we start this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and
Alright, so what do we got here in terms of sauces, huh?
So we got ketchup here, we got some salsa, and we got some ranch.
We got a variety of things set up, mostly because these would all be eaten in different situations, right? Fries, maybe with ketchup and some hamburgers, right? The breakfast papas, usually we eat them with the egg in the morning, so Matt with the scrambled egg, me with my old... You don't like scrambled?
No.
Oh, well, that's awkward. Well, I like it with my over easy egg, and mommy likes it with her crazy crispy fried sunny side up thing egg. She's got like some crazy thing. Anyway, so I like it with my salsa. So dig in, guys.
Crunchy. Super
So
crunchy.
fries, papas are good for anything. They're a great side anytime you eat anything. It doesn't have to be fried, but this is one of my favorite ways of making them. Fried with some garlic sauce or French fries. So join us next time for our next challenge, where Max will continue building his skills, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned with us. See you guys next time.